Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're here today with another video for you guys. And I have a boost leak for the first time. So I don't know if I ever told you guys, I actually took out this box that goes right here. It's like a box, it's like 3 bolts. Alright, took it out and deleted it. I think it's a resonator for the intercooler. So when I covered the hole, I put a, put like a bolt, and then I wrapped it up with tape to cover the hole that basically what the resonator covers. So now I gotta go under there and fix that hole real quick, cover it back up, and then I'm gonna install the race downpipe finally. So we're gonna take all this out the way to be able to put the race downpipe, and I can't wait to put that on because I want to see how loud it's gonna be, and I want to see if I gain any more horsepower. So stay tuned for that. Let me fix that real quick, and then we're gonna get on to the race downpipe. So right there, there's the hole that I'm talking about. That tube, I use one of these thingies to block that hole right here. I'll show you guys. Boom. That's from the intercooler. There's basically like a big black thing that is like bolted up around here, and then that black tube basically has a how you say it? The black thing has a tube that connects to the intercooler, and it's like a resonator. I deleted that, and then I got this that I wrapped it with tape, and that's basically a block off, called a black off. So yeah, so this is the resonator thing that I'm talking about. See this? When you disconnect this thing, this hose is disconnected, and so you have to block off whatever this hose connects to, which I'm doing now. Which I might just take this hose out and connect it back, and then use something to block this off, and then that's it. That should be good. So this is what I created to block that off. So this is basically going to connect in there. I'm going to put a clamp on it, and that's it. Good to go. I put that what's it called? One of those, like you can put a bolt in here or any plastic thing that covers it and tape it up like that, and you're good to go. Make sure you tape it really good. You don't want no leaks because you'll lose boost. So yeah, I'm almost done with this, and then I'm gonna connect it back. Alright, so basically that's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys see it there, but that's what I created, and it's looking good. It's a block off, put a clamp on it, bolt and tape, and it's good to go. Now on to the race downpipe. So I already got the front pipe from PRL. I got the street version for PRL. So right now we're gonna change this street version to the race version. So let's go do that now. Now I already have a video of how to take the downpipe off. I'll leave that video in the description box down below. So I'm not gonna make the same video twice. So basically this is simple. I'm gonna basically take this the intake off. It's part of this PRL intake that I wrapped off with a heat shield, heat wrap. And then we're gonna take off this plate over here that holds the downpipe from heat. So I only have 1 bolt on it right now. It's literally 3 bolts usually. And then once you take this off and that off, then you disconnect the oxygen sensor, and then that's it. You disconnect the 4 bolts over here, and then underneath down there you're gonna disconnect the 3 bolts from the front pipe to the downpipe, and then the ear, one of the ears. You see those ears over there? That's one of the brackets for the downpipe and the front pipe. Disconnect that. Should be good to go. So I'm gonna do that real quick. You guys won't be able to. I'm not gonna again explain it to you guys. I'm probably gonna have the camera do a little how you say it, like a speed run of how I do everything, and then that's it, like a little time lapse. So this is the old street PRL downpipe. As you can see it, PRL. So anybody want to buy it, let me know. Street version of PRL. Now basically all I gotta do now is take this bracket off, put it on the race version, take the oscillator sensor, put it on the race version, and then we're good to install. But I'm gonna take the front pipe off and install the new one, and then the old front pipe and street down pipe, I'm gonna sell it. So I'm gonna put all new stuff. Yeah, I already have it, so I might as well install it. I'm gonna install all this new stuff. I don't want to have no leaks, you know, because the gas, as you can see, the gasket's over here ripped and is on the front pipe as well. So you have to sand that down, and I don't have time for that right now, so I'm just gonna replace both. I'm gonna install the new race downpipe. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do it from underneath. So let me go underneath the car real quick. See if I can do this under there, and then we should be good to go. So that's how the PRL is looking right now. I already got the gasket on. I still got a bolt on the bottom, and I got a bolt on the where is it? The shield. Wherever I put that at. Anyways, there it is up there. I gotta put that shield on real quick, and then put the intake, cold air intake, and then we're good to go. Let's just first start. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and we're gonna start. So real quick, just want to show you guys. Got the new front pipe, new down pipe. Everything's connected. About to start up. Let's see how she sounds, man. I'm curious. Curious. Really curious. Let's see what happens. Let me put it right here so you guys can hear it from the exhaust. So there you go, guys. We just installed the race down pipe. I hope you guys enjoyed that little install. We're gonna take it for a rip in a minute. Right now I'm gonna go to take a shower real quick because my hands are dirty, get ready for work, and then we're gonna take it out for a rip and see how it sounds from the outside. Hopefully it's amazing. Let's see. Sorry guys, I don't have the mount on me right now, so you guys might not be able to see me really good, but I'm taking on the first drive right now. I give you that much. This thing is loud. gosh, this thing is loud. Holy crap. Damn, this thing is super freaking loud. I'm not trying to beat on it too much because I'm trying to see if I disabled the right oxygen sensor. I disabled the secondary one because it's catalyst downpipe. I don't know if it was secondary or primary for the downpipe. I'm pretty sure it was secondary, so I disabled that. So I'm not trying to beat the car, and then, you know, the car is trying to read a cat and it can't read the cat, and then it runs back. It gives you bad air fuel ratios and stuff. But damn, this thing is loud, bro. I don't know if I like it yet, but this thing is loud. Holy shit. If you don't want loud, stay with the street downpipe. I'm telling you guys right now, street downpipe is enough. Damn, race downpipe is just crazy. That's just crazy loud. I'm gonna see if I give you some POVs later, but for now I'm not. So I get to work. I gotta get to work right now, but I'll give you some clips later on, POV clips. But damn, this thing is. Damn.